Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy blossom and grow a garden. Candy blossoms are among the most coveted plants in the game, known for their beauty and high value. However, they were a special event item and are not available through the regular seed shop. This means getting your hands on them now requires a bit of cleverness and persistence. We'll explore the various ways players have found to acquire these elusive plants. One of the most common ways to get candy blossom fruit is by using certain pets. A raccoon pet, for example, can duplicate crops from other players' gardens, bringing you the valuable fruit. For a chance at the actual seeds, a fox pet might be your best bet, as they can sometimes steal seeds. Additionally, golden dog or golden lab pets have a small chance to dig up rare event seeds, including the candy blossom. Engaging with the Grow a Garden community can also open doors. If you befriend a player who already possesses candy blossom seeds or fruit, they might be willing to gift them to you. Another option involves the Steal Fruit Game Pass. If you find a candy blossom plant in another garden, you can take its fruit, and sometimes a seed will drop for the original owner. Keep an eye out for potential future game updates that may introduce a trading system, making direct exchanges possible. For the most dedicated players, becoming a recognized content creator with significant followers and views might allow you to request rare seeds directly from the game developers. Always stay active in the Grow a Garden community forums and social media for the latest tips and potential new methods. Remember, patience is key when pursuing such a rare item. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.